baby. So much fun to ride motorcycles. It's just, oh my goodness, it's so much fun. Yeah. Everybody's out walking their doggies now. Look at this guy. That's my right of way. You do know that, right? Maybe she didn't. Another monotonous ride to work. I don't want to, but it's work that pays for the baby. So, gotta go to work. Speaking of going to work, the wife and I were sitting on the porch having our cigarette. Yeah, I know cigarettes are bad. Having our cigarettes. I was having my morning coffee. And we were having a discussion on what job out there, what job is there where the people that wake up and go to work are like excited to wake up and go to work. Yes, I understand. There's some jobs out there just like, yes, this is awesome. I can't wait to get in there. Professional sports, yeah, of course. Movie stars, that's probably got to get monotonous. YouTubers, yeah, but you know, I do want to point something out. YouTube is work, right? If you don't have a video, you have to go make a video. It's work, right? You're gonna have those times where you're like, oh man, I just want to go home, or not go home, but oh man, I just want to relax today. No, you gotta make a video, and you gotta edit that video. Excuse me, because you were lazy the day before and you didn't do it, so now you got to do it because Thursday's your upload day. And tracks, boom, dang it, man, red light. But you were lazy and now you got to record a video and edit a video all in one day. So yes, YouTube is work. Most people enjoy it, some don't. And then most channels that stop making videos are the ones that what their passion was, what their hobby was, turned into work. Case in point, that happened to me on my gun channel. Oh man, why is the road always wet here? I want to have fun. Oh, the police. Thank you, black car, for saving me from a ticket. I was going to try and split the gap, but not now. Man, the bike is feeling extra bumpy today, gents, so I don't know what that's about. You can probably hear it in my voice. But yes, we're just on another boring, monotonous ride to work. Oh, gonna actually try it. Wow, that was really high pitch. It was almost like puberty. Look at that car. Can you see it? Oh, it just got red and blues. That was cool. Gonna actually try to, you know, see if I can't sneak out of work a little early today to go on a little bit more rides so we can see some more randomness, because randomness makes the world go round. So yeah, if you don't have random, you got nothing. I mean, you just got monotony, like this ride to work every morning. So the weatherman also stated that it ain't supposed to rain today. So we'll check that theory out this afternoon as well. Brake lights! No! Someone mentioned to me in person that when I do that voice, my high-pitched voice that I do, I sound like Granny from Squidbillies. Come on now. Granny. Granny. Wait! Your turn. Thank you. But we do got to stop and get some fuels. I'm down to half a tank. I still got, let's see, what do I still got? Let's slow down a little bit. Still got 118 miles to go, but you know what? If I do get to shoot out a little early from work today, you know, I want to have a full tank. I want to leave from work and have fun. I don't want to have to ride around and try and find a gas station. Do you hear that, man? I'm like blah, 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 blah. In my voice, man. We got a bumpy ride. I'm going to have to check this out when when we come to a stop here at the gas station. At the gas stationes. Yeah. There is a tank, or a thing for me to get fuel at. Oh, this dude's leaving. Hell yeah. Get right in there. You see how you do that, people? Very easily. So we're here. We're going to go ahead and cut the video off now. Somehow, some way, that's what we're gonna do. Shut it down. I did not get out of work early today. So, no randomness. What we're going to be doing is another boring, monotonous ride home. And that's all there is to it. Hey, check that out. Green light. Pretty hot. In case y'all don't know that. It's pretty hot out here. It's talking so loud. Oh, dude, you better hurry up. I know the GoPro didn't pick that up because that's a small target. But bro's in the middle of the road, yo. If you haven't noticed already, the audio, my goodness, is probably the worst audio anyone's ever heard on a YouTube channel. It's terrible. So, my thing is, those of you that are watching that have found this channel, do you think it's worth buying the GoPro? What I got is the GoPro Hero 7. I got that because it was on sale. Damn, this was the wrong way to go, guys. Freaking traffic. So, with the audio for the GoPro Hero 7, what you have to do is you got to buy the microphone brick adapter and then buy a microphone. How I'm talking to you right now is through my Cena and the helmet, Bluetooth to a Bluetooth audio recorder on my cell phone. That's why the audio truly sucks. The audio will get better if I get the brick adapter. Then like a Panda mic with a good windscreen or something, get a good placement in the mouth section of the of my helmet. So I guess my question is, should I get it? Why are we doing 43 miles an hour in a frickin' 45? Come on, man. I think we need audio. I think that's the next step in the channel's evolution. I think until then, we're gonna have nothing but like boring, monotonous, crappy audio videos on Nitsud. Dude, I'm like feeling the bumps ridiculous today, guys. I gotta check my my settings on my rear shock. I don't normally feel them that much. I checked out the bike, you know, tires all good, everything's all good. But yep, that's where we're at. Everything's good. Audio? No audio. Let me know in the comment section down below, and we will see you in the next video. Deuces. Bye bye.